Friends, what an incredible journey it has been. Together we've witnessed something truly unique unfold before our eyes. A movement powered by hope, innovation, and the belief that technology can unite us all. For years we tapped a button daily, mining Pi and building a global community. Each tap was a small act of faith, connecting millions across continents and time zones, all working toward a shared vision. This wasn't just about collecting coins, it was about making cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of background or experience. We built bridges, not just balances. The Pi team focused on building a secure, scalable blockchain and a verified user base before anything else. Their dedication laid the foundation for a network we can all trust and rely on. Today, February 23, 2026, marks the launch of the open Mainnet, the moment our efforts become reality. Years of anticipation and hard work have led to this historic day. The open Mainnet is when Pi transitions from a closed system to a live public blockchain. Now, anyone can participate, and the network is open for the world to see and use. Now, Pi is a practical, usable currency, not just a promise. You can use it in real transactions, making digital money a part of everyday life. This launch fulfills the vision of the Pi core team and proves the power of community and patience. It's a testament to what we can achieve when we work together. The open Mainnet bridges the Pi ecosystem with the global economy, unlocking Pi's true potential. It's a gateway to new opportunities and innovations for everyone involved. It's not just a technical milestone, it's a celebration for every pioneer who believed in a decentralized future. Your belief and perseverance made this possible. The wait is over, the real adventure begins now. A new chapter opens, filled with promise and excitement for what's to come. Get ready. Things are about to get very exciting. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless for all of us. Welcome to the new era of Pi. Together, we're stepping into a future we've built as one global community. Connecting Pi to the world. The open Mainnet is the next big step in Pi's journey, transforming it from a closed ecosystem into a truly global network. Think of the open Mainnet as building bridges from our Pi island to the rest of the world, allowing us to reach new shores and connect with millions more people and opportunities. Before, we operated in a safe, enclosed environment. Now, Pi is a public blockchain anyone can access, explore, and build upon, opening the door to innovation and collaboration. This means Pi can be listed on exchanges, traded for other currencies, and integrated by businesses worldwide, making it a real player in the digital economy. The open Mainnet enables interoperability. Different blockchains and services can now connect with Pi, unlocking new use cases and partnerships across the crypto space. Imagine using Pi to buy NFTs on Ethereum, earning interest through DeFi platforms, or participating in decentralized apps. The possibilities are endless and limited only by our imagination. With this openness comes responsibility. The core team ensured security and scalability before opening up, so Pi can grow safely and sustainably as more people join. KYC and a careful rollout built a strong foundation for the open market, protecting users and building trust in the Pi ecosystem. Now, Pi is a powerful, public utility ready to connect with the global digital economy, empowering individuals and businesses everywhere to participate. The walls are down. Pi is a full citizen of the decentralized web, ready to interact, innovate, and grow with the world. This is the moment Pi steps onto the global stage, embracing its role as a borderless digital currency. The future of Pi starts now, and together, we're shaping a new era of digital connection and opportunity. For any currency to have value, it must be useful in the real world, not just stored away or traded for speculation. The open Mainnet unleashes real-world utility for Pi, moving beyond mining and holding and into everyday transactions that matter. Now, you can use Pi for everyday goods and services, making digital currency a part of your daily routine. Imagine decentralized social platforms, freelance marketplaces, and e-commerce stores powered by Pi, all accessible from your device. The Pi browser is your gateway to this new digital world, connecting you to a growing ecosystem of apps and services. Apps built during the enclosed Mainnet can now go live with real Pi transactions, opening up new opportunities for both users and developers. Book hotels, order food, or pay for courses, all with Pi, making your digital assets truly practical. This creates a circular economy, where value flows between users, businesses, and developers, strengthening Pi's foundation. Pi's focus on utility and real-world use sets it apart from speculative crypto projects that lack substance. The goal is to build a thriving peer-to-peer economy, not just a coin for trading or investment. The open mainnet empowers developers and gives pioneers real reasons to use Pi in their daily lives. The true value of Pi will be measured by its vibrant app ecosystem and the real impact it has on people's lives. You've mined Pi. Now it's time to make it real. Mainnet migration moves your Pi from the app to your personal, non-custodial wallet on the blockchain. Only Pi mined by you and your verified team is eligible. KYC is essential. Once you and your team pass KYC, your balance becomes eligible for migration. Initiate migration through the Mainnet checklist in the Pi app. Your Pi is transferred to your wallet address in the Pi browser, an on-chain transaction you control. You can view your balance on any Pi block explorer. Before migrating, you can choose to lock up a portion of your Pi for extra mining rewards. Lockups support network stability and reward long-term commitment. Carefully consider your lockup settings. They affect your Pi for the chosen duration. Migration is your gateway to the real Pi economy. The open mainnet is a call to builders everywhere. Developers can now create real applications with Pi payments for millions of verified users. The Pi SDK and APIs make integrating Pi authentication and payments simple. Users can log in and pay directly from their Pi wallet. Frictionless and secure. Expect e-commerce, social, gaming, and service apps to flourish. The Pi hackathons have already shown the community's creativity. Now projects can move from prototypes to real businesses. Collaboration and open-source tools will accelerate innovation. The Pi ecosystem is set to become one of the most dynamic in Web3. The builders are ready. Let's create the future. Open Mainnet is a massive opportunity for businesses. Companies can now integrate Pi payments, reaching millions of engaged consumers. The KYB, Know Your Business, process verifies legitimate enterprises, building trust. KYB-verified businesses can integrate Pi into websites, apps, and physical stores. Imagine paying for coffee or online shopping with Pi. Just scan and go. Integration is simple, driving adoption both online and offline. Businesses benefit from fast, secure, low-cost transactions and a global customer base. Embracing Pi signals innovation and forward-thinking. The doors are open. Visionary businesses are joining the revolution. Pi is ready for commerce on a global scale. With Open Mainnet live, it's time to get ready. Complete the Mainnet checklist in the Pi app. It's your migration roadmap. Download the Pi browser, create your wallet, and store your passphrase securely. Your wallet is non-custodial. Only you control it. Lose your passphrase, lose your Pi. Complete your KYC as soon as your slot is available. It's mandatory for migration. KYC ensures every pioneer is a real, unique person. Once approved, configure your voluntary lockup setting for extra mining rewards. Think carefully about your lockup. Longer and higher commitments mean bigger bonuses. After these steps, you'll be added to the migration queue. Secure your wallet, pass KYC, set your lockup, and you're ready for Open Mainnet. Your journey as a true Pi participant is about to begin. Don't delay. Real Pi utility awaits. Welcome to the new Pi economy. The open mainnet isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. Years of mining and building have led to the birth of a new economic ecosystem. We're shifting from accumulation to circulation and utility. Success depends on three pillars: utility, identity, and mass adoption. Utility comes from apps and services that give Pi real-world value. Identity is built on KYC-verified users, creating trust and accountability. Mass adoption is driven by Pi's mobile-first approach, making it the most widely distributed crypto. Every transaction breathes life into the ecosystem. We are all co-creators. Let's build a fair, accessible Web3 economy together. The journey has just begun. The future is in our hands. Let's revisit Pi's core mission: building the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer economy. The open mainnet brings utility, identity, and mass adoption together for millions. Utility: Pi is designed for everyday transactions, not just speculation. Developers and businesses can now create real-world use cases for Pi. Identity: mandatory KYC ensures every user is a unique, verified human, creating trust. This enables secure transactions and sophisticated, trustworthy applications. Mass adoption: Pi's mobile-first mining makes crypto accessible to everyone. The open mainnet unleashes the largest, most diverse crypto community. This is how a new financial standard is born. Complete your migration, secure your wallet, and get ready. A new chapter for Pi, and for all of us, begins now.